Hey, it's Derek with JVI Secret Gardens, and yes, I have gloves on because it's cold. So what do we do with water features when it's cold? As you can see in the environment right now, this is our display gardens. We still have them netted, but what I want to talk about today is what happens when temperatures drop below freezing. What do we do with our water features? Well, there's a few things that we need to think about. Do we have the right plumbing in there that it can flow water through and run it all season long? On the water features that we install, actually you can. So we use big enough plumbing, big enough pumps so that you can enjoy the beautiful ice formations that's gonna happen. Well, when that ice freezes, it's gonna suspend, right? It's gonna be on the waterfalls, it's gonna be on the fountainscapes, and now you've taken that volume and it's literally hanging in this beautiful cascade, but you'll have to add water. So make sure that you take your hose inside, keep that in the garage. If your spigot's outside, if you winterize it, you have to think about that. Is it gonna be safe for my pipes? And then fish, what do we do with our fish? You stop feeding your fish when it's below freezing. Once the water temperatures drop, I say below freezing, but once the water temperature drops below 50 degrees, the metabolism of your koi and your goldfish, it's gonna slow down. They're gonna settle to the bottom of the pond, down in that thermocline down there where it's actually warmer, and they're just gonna go dormant all winter long. If you feed them, their metabolism cannot process that food, and then, well, it's not always good for our fish. So once water temperatures drop below 50, stop feeding the little friendly fish guys and just let them go dormant. Now, when spring comes around, use your thermometers, watch your water temperatures. When it comes above 50, go ahead and start feeding them again because they're gonna be hungry. They've been dormant all winter long and they just want food. But don't let them fool you. When it's cold outside, they're gonna come up and they're gonna say, please feed me. Just don't do it because it's not healthy for the fish. Thank you for checking out our videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out our Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for checking us out.